happy, I was depressed, and I just needed time to myself. You guys are like the 1% of the 1%. That's to tell you how special you are. Show me some love, show me some love, please. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing where I've been. I know you guys now, you deserve an explanation, so I'm just here to like explain where I've been, what I've been up to, why I've not been creating videos and the likes. The first thing is I was like the first reason is many people, for those that don't know me personally, I'm a student, 400 level student of the university studying agriculture. And as we all know, in any university in Nigeria, if you are studying agriculture, you would definitely like go for farm practice / COS. It depends on the school. So in my school, we did like a 3-month, some people call it COS, some people call it SIWES. Please, anyhow I call it in this video, please just manage it like that. So I did that and it was a lot because we started the COS around August, and we all know that due to the pandemic, everybody was at home, and to like adjust to that new routine was kind of difficult. And where I was doing my COS, our resumption time is 7 a.m. so that means I have to like wake up very early to like meet up. And the funny thing is, we sign in and we sign out. That is to tell you how serious it was. Doing that and like coming home, it was kind of difficult. Then also I wanted to like give in more time and more energy into my business. For people that don't know, I also have a fashion business, Butterfly Clothing, where I create ready to wear outfits and the like, and I'm wearing one of my outfits today for this video. So the thing is, I started this business and then I used to do like ashwebi, like if you have weddings and the likes, or you just want me to like sew an outfit for you. But when this whole Rona stuff started, yeah, I just thought, and then most of my clients were students, so I was like, there should be one other way for me to like start creating outfits, even though there is Rona. And then like it was, they were already easing like the lockdown and all. That was when I started my ready to wear line. Guys, owning a business in Nigeria is difficult and it is a lot of work. Like, you need to put in so much energy and so much work into it. I started my ready to wear line. Thank God, it has not been easy, yeah, but even though it is not easy, that doesn't mean that I'll just like give up and all. But like I've been pushing and pushing, so that too came. And guys, I won't like, it is draining from going to the market, coming back, because this me, just one man mopo. One man mopo. I'm the one that is going to the market, I'm the one sourcing for fabric, I'm the one coming home to sew, I'm the one weaving it, I'm the one packaging, I'm the one doing quality control, I'm the one delivering self. That's to tell you how much. Because you know, now we are just starting the business and so that too came in. God. And yes, and okay, and then for some reason there was this time in my life where I wasn't happy, I was depressed, and I just needed time to myself. I just needed to like withdraw for some while and like just get myself back, like get Itunu back. So that's like, let me just say, that's been like the major reasons. Then also when they eased the lockdown and all now, you know, people were going to like weddings, parties, birthday parties and the likes, and they need clothes, you know. So the workload was so much for me. But we thank God, I can't complain, because this is our prayer that we should continue to get clients. So I think I've said so many times in this video. so many times in this video. That's just it. And then for some reason, content block. At the time I was like, no idea of like the contents I want, like the videos I want to put out. And for some reason, like I keep thinking that, oh, it's which video do you want to put out today? Which video? And it shouldn't be. Like I should always have like a steady flow of like ideas and all. So due to that too, I had to like withdraw because it was giving me a headache. I liked, but thank God, I'm grateful for where my channel is right now. The last video I dropped, like bust brain. You guys did so well. Like I don't even know what to, I don't know how to explain. I don't know how to like express myself. Like I'm really grateful. I am really grateful for my new subscribers. And for my new subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. The channel is still growing. When I dropped the last video I dropped on, I think Saturday, I gained like 4 new subscribers. Thank you so much. You're welcome. And if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please join this amazing family. Trust me, you won't regret it. So yeah guys, basically that's just it though. That's see, you be more to join in. And now that I am back, I pray for strength to like give you like the content you guys deserve, because trust me, you deserve the best, and that is what I'm going to be giving you, because you guys are like the 1% of the 1%. That's to tell you how special you are. So if you are new here, you've not subscribed, you've not liked this video, why now? What is my offense? Show me some love. Please like my video, subscribe and share. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. For like, you guys are always commenting, you're always liking, like we are like family. I love the way you guys like ask me questions in the comment section. I love it so much, and I'm always like eager to reply. Don't forget, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter. Yeah. See you guys in my next one. Bye.